What's the meaning of courtesan? Courtesan. Courtesan.
Courtesan. Courtesan. A courtesan is a historical term used to describe a woman who trades sexual favors for money or gifts. These women were typically considered to be of a higher social class than prostitutes, and were often educated and skilled in the arts of conversation, dance, and music. Courtesans were prevalent in many cultures throughout history, from ancient Greece and Rome to 17th century Europe and beyond. While their profession was often stigmatized, courtesans played an important role in the social and cultural life of their time.